bitch, you bust. They like this, that. Please get out my dick now. Nigga know that I don't give no fuck, get mad and get your bitch gone. Like big stacks. Little young boy and I'm rich now. All them gonna tread me wrong.
Back with another video. Today, we're gonna be trying these, right? I know I've been gone for a minute. Don't get on me. I'm back. YouTube just been boring, and there's nothing to post, so yeah. So let's get into this. I hope these not spicy like the Doritos, because them Doritos disgusting. That just stink. This is what it look like. Hold up. Oh shoot. Just like that. I'm scared because I don't like popcorn that much. So. It's alright. It ain't that good. I ain't even gonna cap. Oh shoot. Not that good. People be doing too much with these. They be like, these so good. Oh my god, try this. Oh shoot, this one got me drooling. It's hot. Bro, stop falling, Joe. Alright, bro. Alright, so most likely where I've been at is at home, at school, and most likely
we might be live in like 3 days.
What?
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to you right now.
Alright, well, be quiet. So I've most likely been there, and there's nothing to post. You know what I'm saying? When I get something to post, I get something to post, but you know what I'm saying? There's nothing to post.
Go to this place to go to Babylon. If you go to any store, you might find these.
And a fool, I'm a rider. Never was a thing. Oh, let me stop singing. Alright. So I'm gonna rate these. These right here. It's a solid 8. Solid 8. But yep. God dang, this joint about to make me die. Alright, but this done this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn post notifications. And I'm out. Peace.